Okay, so today I want to show you how to export your sources to Google Drive so that you can annotate them and highlight them digitally. So if you're using the EBSCO search engine or database, then you'll, after selecting your article, go to the right where it says Google Drive and okay, it says, okay, this document has been saved to your Google Drive account. If you haven't used it before, it will pop up with a box saying which email do you want us to use. You'll select that and it will send it straight to your email. Now, if you are using Gale, all right, you've selected your article, then you have the same button, send to Google Drive. And it'll say, oh, I wanted to send it to this email. Say, okay, so now when I go to my Google Drive, I'll have new folders. It'll say something like EBSCO or Student Edition or Research and Context, depending on which database you sent it from. So for instance, if I choose the article I sent to EBSCO, oh, I might need to refresh. For now, we'll just use a different one. Okay, so here's the article that I just sent. And from here, I can read it at my own pace. It's all saved for me. At the very bottom, it has copied the citation. So you can see this will match what I have in my Noodle tools if I've saved it there. Makes it very nice to match up my quotes. So I can just scroll through and say, maybe I want to use this right here as some of my evidence. I can highlight it, maybe say everything. With data, I'm going to put in blue, or maybe I'm going to categorize them by what paragraph I want to use them in. So here on the side, I can add a comment. So I can say, I want to use this in my paragraph about Latino immigrants. That way it's just saved for me when I come back and I'm ready to write my paper. I've already marked out the quotes that I want to use, and I have an idea of where I wanted to use them when I read them the first time.